The PayMe Claim Your Money app has been trending lately, promising users quick payouts, instant rewards, and effortless earnings. But does it actually work? Or is it just another overhyped money-making app? Let's break it down honestly. PayMe advertises itself as a rewards platform where you complete simple tasks, watching ads, spinning wheels, taking surveys, then claim your earnings directly inside the app. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, and new users are greeted with fast points to make the experience feel rewarding. But the real test comes when it's time to withdraw. Many users report that after reaching the payout threshold, the app suddenly introduces extra conditions like watching more ads or final verification steps. These requirements often reset progress or delay processing. For some, the withdrawal button becomes unavailable altogether. The earning system is extremely ad-heavy. Most tasks pay out only tiny amounts, meaning you need hours of continuous use just to reach minimum cash out. This suggests the app profits mainly from ad revenue while giving very little back to users. On the positive side, PayMe does not appear to steal data or charge hidden fees. It's safe to install, and some users have successfully withdrawn small amounts, usually gift cards rather than cash. But consistency is the real issue. Payments are not guaranteed, and the app's reward algorithm seems designed to keep users engaged without delivering reliable income. Verdict: PayMe is not a total scam, but it's definitely not a realistic way to earn money in 2025. Treat it as an entertainment app with occasional rewards, not a true income source. If you're looking for real earnings, this app will mostly waste your time.